So fine, good morning. So now we are going to see about the program implementations of the stack using this array concept. So first let me give this that overall outline about the coding, what are the operation we are going to perform by using this stack. So first I started to include the header file like a common header file like a standard input output.h and then a common input output.h studio.h and then conio.h, and then I am declaring this stack size as a 100 and then some of the variable I am declaring here, and then what are the operation I am going to perform now. So based on this I am defining this the push, pop and then show three different type of the function. Push operation, the push function is used for inserting the element into the stack, and then pop operation for removing this element, and then show function which is used to show number of the element which is available in this that array after performing this any push or pop operation. So let me go for the line by line execution about this stack implementation using array. For the line by line execution we have to go with this that function F7 key. So as we know that the program, the C program will be start executing from the main function. It started to executing from the main functions, and then so it's clearing this that output screen. After clearing this output screen, so it's executing this printf statement. Under the printf statement, we have given the enter of the number of the element in the stack. So how many element we want to enter into the stack now, that has to be printed in this output screen. Scanf statement which is used to get the input from the users. So I am giving this that three element as the input from the user keyboard. Then I am pressing this enter. After that, it's printing this information like nothing but this stack operation using array that will be into this letter output screen. Then after that, it's printing the same some number of the line. Then it's getting into this while loop. In this while loop, we are checking this that choice which is not equal to this 4. If it is the cases, checking if it is not is equal to 4 now, then it will be get inside this while loop, and then it's asking for the choose one from the below options printf statement. So we have a four option is there. One is the push operation, and then another is the pop operation, and then show operation, and then exit operation. So I'm giving this that next to the next statement is executing, like a printf statement will be used for choosing this choice. So I'm giving this choice through this our scanf statement. I'm giving this that choice as a 1. So this choice will be used to perform the push operation. It's nothing but I'm going to enter the first element. So checking the choice. Uh, choice value is 1. So it's automatically go to this that case 1. So it's calling the push function. So it directly go to this that function definition inside the C programming. So in this push functions, so this is the push function. So inside the push function, I'm declaring this some variable like a value. So that is that. Then it will be checking if top equal to n. If it is the cases means then it will be overflow. So because it is not top equal to n, so it will become to this else spot and then it asking this value to this insert into this data array. So I'm giving this value through the scanf statement, nothing but this 45 I'm giving. So now that top position is incremented by this one after inserting this first element into this that stack by using this array, it will be incremented. The top pointer is equal to 1. That is nothing but this top plus 1. So now that cursor is pointing to this that next position, and then there we can able to perform or we can able to add this another value. So it's closing these operations. Fine. Now it's checking the choice. So again it will become inside this that while loop. It's asking for this which choice you want to choose. So now again I'm giving the choice as a 1 because I given this n value is equal to 3. I can able to insert the 3 element into this array. I'm giving this another, I want to insert this next element inside this that stack using this array concept. So again I'm giving the choice as a 1. Then it will be asking for this, that it will be checking the choice value. It is 1. So it will be again go to the push function, calling the function, checking this that n value, so which is not equal to 3. So it will be go to this else part. So this else part, I am giving this value through the scanf statement, which is nothing but this that 56, previously 45. Now the second value I am inserting as a 56. Now after inserting the second value, the top pointers will be moved to this the next one position, which is nothing but this that top plus 1. Now the pointer is pointing to this the next position. So there we can able to that assign the value. So after that, completing this the else part, it will be again come into this that break, because we have complete after completing the push operation, the break statement will be executed. Now again it will be asking the choice. So again I am going to giving the choice of 1, so which is nothing but which is used to enter this that another value, because I can able to insert the 3 element, because I given the size of this array is equal to the maximum number of the element 3 I can able to insert into this array. So calling the push function. So again, it checking this the top equal to n. No, because n value is equal to 3, the top value is equal to what the 2. It is not. So it asking this value. I am giving this value through the scanf statement. Now I am giving this value as a 15. So now again the top value is getting incremented by this one position. So that value will be stored into this the top of this stack. After completing this, break statement will be executed. Now it asking this choice. If it is not equal to 4, it will be go. Then it's checking this options. Again I'm giving this was the choice, just nothing but again I'm giving this was the choice as a 1. Oh, will be checked. So this is choice will be 1, go to the first operation. So now it will be checking, you're calling the function push operations. Now it will be checking whether that top equal to n. No. So it will be go inside this loop, and then we can able to insert this that another value, which is nothing but this that 90. So here I have given this that value is equal to 3. That index is starting from this was at 0 to 3. So I can able to insert the value is equal to 3 this 4. So now the top value is get incremented. That now the pointer will be incremented by this one position. So after completing this that insertion operation, it's executing this that break statement under this case 1. So now it again asking for the choice. I can able to give the choice as a what that 1. Now we will be check the status whether we can able to insert the next element. Choice is 1, it will become for this push, nothing but this inserting the element into this array, and then it's calling the push function. Now we're checking this top equal to n or not. Now the top value as well as the n value is equal to same. Fine, 3 equal to 3. Now it's showing this what that or it's printing as a overflow, which means that stack is full. Fine, now it's uh, directly come to this that it's directly after executing this if part, it won't go inside this else part because it's a stack is full. So it's executing the break statement. Now again it's asking the choice. Now I can able to view the choice as a 3. I can able to see how many element, I think so far I have insert the element now that can that element I can able to see by using this so operations. Now you can see asking these choices, checking the choice value, it's directly go to the case 3, which is nothing but this showing this the element which is inserted using this array. So here inside this so function, I am using this for loop for whatever the element I have inserted now, that has to be what that printed into this output screen. So it's starting from this that I is equal to top, which is nothing but it's starting from this the 0 till this 3 now. It will go for this that executing that four times, 3, 2, 1, 0 like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. If it is minus 1, now the stack is empty. So if the after executing this that for loop four time now, the four value will be what that assigning. It's from this what that for every time the 3, 2, 1. So for the corresponding will be assigning to this that stack of I. Now we can able to now after executing this what that so function, it will be executing the break statement. Now you can see yes, again it asking the choices. I'm going toward that giving the choice. You can see yes. Now after executing this that show statement, so we have insert the value uh, 90 as well as that 15, 56, 45. So recently insert that, which is lastly insert that value will become as a what that first 90. Fine now. Then after that 15, 56, and then 45. So this is the way we can able to do the implementation about the stack operation using this array. So we have seen this that push operation, and then we have seen the performance of that implementation of the so function. Now I have to go for the option 2, which is nothing but this pop. Pop is nothing but this removing this element. Now the choice will be over the 2, then it directly go to the case number 2. So it calling the function pop operation. So top equal to minus 1 means the stack is empty, but already we have a 4 element. So it won't execute, then it will become to this else part. So lost in first out. Lost value will be removed first. The top after checking this that top position, it will be remove this that lastly insert the element. That will be after completing the pop operation, it will be execute the break statement. It's come to this that while loop, it's asking the choice. So now we have removed this that value. Then after removing this value, we can go and then check this that how many elements are there in this that stack. I'm giving this choice as a what the tree to see the element. It's going for the choice 3. Nothing but this that case 3. We try to show the number of the element which is present in the stack. So it's starting from this that top of this stack, then 1, 2, 3. Because initially we have inserted the 4 element. After eliminating or deleting or performing the pop operation, one element is removed. Now we have only 3 elements. So the 3 times is loop get executed. Now checking this top equal to minus 1. No. So it's complete this that show operations. Then break statement is get executed. Now it's asking these choices. Now we will be see. You can see yes. So in this 90 is recently inserted. That recently inserted element will be removed with the help of this that pop operation. After removing this that pop operation, we have only 3 element in this stack, which is nothing but this 15, 56, and then 45. So this is the pop operation. Lost in first out. Recently inserted element will be removed first. So now I will be exit the program. Fine. So after that, it will be checking the choice 4. Then it will be written back to the main programming. Fine. This is that programmatical implementation uh, for stack concept using this array. Fine. Thank you. Next, we will be see this that stack using this queue concept as well as that stack implementation is that linked list concept also. Fine. Okay. Let me stop with this.